driven by a 380 HP engine. This truck combines powerful performance with eco-friendly design. The 6 Ford Rivante ensures stable operation on urban roads, while its 1.6 cvm dual-function tank handles both high-pressure cleaning and sewage suction. Equipped with advanced pumping systems and anti-corrosion materials, it efficiently tackles street flushing, drain cleaning, and waste collection, a vital asset for urban sanitation. It delivers reliability and efficiency in maintaining clean cities.